Okay, I have the clock opened up. Um, I have it wired. It's powered up. It's resetting with the solenoid. I expect it to reset at about when the second hand gets to 12. So I'm going to be quiet for a second. It already happened at 10. Okay, so it's been running quite a while. What I did is I opened it up, cleaned it up, and then with a special cleaning solvent, I checked the resistance of the coils through the connector. It seemed about right, what I expected from fixing many other clocks. And then I wound the clock by hand first to see that the mechanical side was working properly. And then after I cleaned it, like I said, and dried it a bit, see if it'll click again. There it is. That was the rewind click. So what happens is the when it unwinds, the contact makes connection, and the solenoids get energized. It provides instantaneous electromagnetic power, and it winds the clock. This clock has been running very nicely, consistently. About 1 minute and 10 seconds it rewinds. I'm going to let it run for quite a while longer, make sure it's working, and then I'm going to pack and ship it back.